This is the Bailey Phoenix Black Edition 644. This is a couple's favourite thanks to that layout, which we'll come to in a minute, but it can also accommodate a family of up to 4 members. It's very light too, just 1400 kilos MTPLM, means you can tow an everyday car like Skoda's Superb. But let's go inside and take a look. The lounge is a lovely open airy space thanks in part to this huge picture window. But it's not just airy, it's comfortable too. The seats here, they're sprung, not foam, so sprung throughout, so not only does it make for a comfy seat, but also a comfy bed too, because this converts into a large double bed, or as they are 5'11" long, it can be used as a single too. The 644 also comes with plenty of tech. There are 5 230-volt sockets, 3 USB points, a wireless charger to my right that has a USB and a USB-C, and there are 2 TV points, one for the lounge, one for the bedroom. And to make sure you stay entertained for hours, it also comes with a Sonos speaker, which is Alexa activated. Lots of worktop space in the kitchen, so if you like to travel with an air fryer or coffee maker, you are spoiled for choice where to place it. There's also an extendable flap at the end. Now it's fully equipped too, dual fuel hob, grill, oven and a microwave above. And if you like to take all your essentials with you, there's a good sized fridge to my left. And just so you know, you're in a Black Edition Phoenix, there are lots of black accents throughout, such as the tap and the handles to the drawers and cupboards. The bedroom is undoubtedly one of the 644's key features. Now, it has 2 modes, day mode and night mode. It's currently in day mode, so the bed is pushed back, which gives you lots of room at the foot of the bed. At night, when you want that really good night's sleep, all you do is pull out the bed, gives you plenty of room. Storage-wise, there's wardrobes either side, and there's more storage below these handy bedside units. And should you wish to carry bulkier items, you simply lift up the bed and you can store more stuff underneath. And when you are relaxing, at the left there is a TV point here, and should you be going out and you want to look your best, there's also a vanity unit. And if you'd like to separate off the rest of the caravan, perhaps you've got guests or family members staying with you, there's a concertina partition door which simply unclips and slides across. The washroom is at the rear and it runs the full width of the caravan. There's a roomy separate shower, plenty of storage for all your bathroom essentials, as well as a Belfast-style sink and the all-important loo. And the room here is maximised thanks to this space-saving sliding door. So in summary, the 644 is a full berth caravan with a transverse island bed and end washroom. Now combined with that really good sized front lounge, it makes it a very adaptable caravan indeed. And also it's light, just 1400 kilos MTPLM, which means you can tow it with an everyday car.